Ever grappled with the thought of creating your own YouTube channel, but found yourself overwhelmed by the seemingly endless checklist? Today, we're here to guide you through each point in your YouTube journey, making it a breeze rather than a hurdle. The first stepping stone to a successful YouTube channel is identifying a specific niche. By choosing a niche, you'll be able to understand your target audience better and cater to their interests effectively. When it comes to creating your channel, you'll need to design your channel's name, logo, and cover art. Also, ensure your channel description and about section are both attractive and informative. Branding is a pivotal part of your YouTube account. Incorporate consistent branding elements such as logos, colors, and fonts to make it easier for viewers to recognize your channel. Optimizing your account involves the use of SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. This will enhance the visibility of your videos in search results. Researching topics for each video is crucial. It's important to understand the kind of topics your audience prefers and the type of content that will engage them. Quality equipment is a must-have. By effectively using a camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software, you can significantly enhance the quality of your content. In the realm of content creation, creativity and consistency are key. Strive to create valuable, entertaining, and informative content that will attract and engage your viewers. Utilize a robust content calendar and knowledge input tools to organize and plan your content. This will help maintain the consistency and relevancy of your content. Last but certainly not least, consistency and relevancy are crucial. Regularly uploading content and providing relevant content for your audience will aid in your channel's growth. By following these points, you can create a successful YouTube channel that attracts audiences and achieves long-term success. We hope this checklist proves to be beneficial for you. If you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.